Creating content doesn't have to be difficult. I've been creating videos on YouTube since 2019, and over the years I learned how to create content in a much easier way. So in this video I would like to share 5 tips that will help you to create content with less effort. Starting with tip number 1, pre-production. Now before you create anything, I want you to think who your content is for. Who is going to watch your video? First of all, that makes your content way more relatable. And on the top of that, you are also helping the algorithm to find the right audience for your content. Even general content creators like MrBeast, for example, even he has a specific audience. His content is designed for people who love fast-paced, entertaining type videos. And even though millions of people are watching him, still, his videos are not for everyone. He knows very well what his audience loves and who he is creating content for. Tip number 2, the idea. Most people spend hours in the content itself and in the video editing, but they don't spend that much time on the idea. Actually, that's a common mistake because a great video idea with average content outperforms great content with a bad video idea. For every type of niche, there are specific certain topics that do perform better. So if you're not getting views, next time try to spend a bit more time in the video idea. Look at other creators and find out what works well in your niche. Note down those topics that are performing well, and later you can create content for those high-performing topics. If you are a beginner content creator and you enjoy watching my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel so when I publish a new video next time, you can receive it too. Alright, let's continue. Tip number 3, use pattern interrupts. A pattern interrupt can be a very simple thing like adding a simple cut, change in the visuals, or even a simple on-screen text. Try not to make the beginning part of your videos boring, otherwise you can't grab the attention of the viewers. But if you use a pattern interrupt, then you will more likely to catch the attention in the first 3 seconds or so people will more likely to continue watching your video. Tip number 4, use a simple language. Explain things like you're explaining to a 5-year-old. Make your content simple, clear, and easy to follow. Don't try to sound smart or make things complicated because when people don't understand or they get confused, they don't keep watching your video. And tip number 5, editing. Not every niche requires heavy editing. There are creators on TikTok and on YouTube getting thousands of views with a simple FaceTime style or like sit and talk style content. Actually, in most cases, light editing can work better because it feels more natural. So make sure to test it before you invest so much time on heavy editing. You might actually not need that. Now, these 5 tips will help you to create content better and easier, but they won't matter if your content is not high quality. And when you're a beginner, then how are you supposed to create high quality content because you don't have the experience yet? I created a simple framework that helps you to create better content without necessarily making it high quality. And if you want to learn more about this framework, then check out my next video.